L&T Technology Services Q3 FY26 results, revenue growth, margin pressure or order commentary. L&T Technology Services posted solid revenue growth in Q3 FY26, with broad-based demand across key verticals such as industrial products, automotive, aerospace, and tech OEMs supporting the top line even in a muted global ad spend environment. Despite the revenue UPTICK, reported margins saw some compression compared with the year-ago quarter, influenced by wage cost inflation, project mix shifts, and investments in talent and delivery bandwidth to support future growth. Operating performance was underpinned by disciplined execution and delivery metrics, while management highlighted strong deal velocity and stable order book inflows, signaling resilience and client confidence in engineering services demand. Segment-wise trends showed consistent uptake in digital engineering, product lifecycle management, and embedded software solutions, with particular strength in automotive and industrial automation domains. Geographically, growth contributions remained diversified, with healthy performance from North America and Europe offsetting softer trends in some Asia-Pacific markets. Cost discipline remained a focus, with efforts to optimize utilization rates and bench costs to protect earnings quality even as investments in skills and capacity continued. Looking ahead, investors should watch revenue sustainability, margin recovery momentum, and progression in higher value digital services and strategic engagements that can drive longer term profitability. Risks include prolonged pricing pressure, wage cost escalation, and near-term variability in client discretionary spends, which could delay margin expansion despite healthy order pipelines. Catalysts include acceleration in digital transformation initiatives across global clients, deeper penetration in emerging domains like aerospace electrification and connected mobility, and cross-sell traction with existing account footprints. The investor takeaway is that L&T Technology Services Q3 FY26 results demonstrate revenue resilience and continued demand for engineering services, while margin management and cost optimization remain crucial to unlocking sustainable earnings growth.